PQR and QRS are triangles. PQR and QRS are triangles. Calculate the length of QS. That's QS there. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. You must show all your working. So I'm going to use the cosine rule. Using the cosine rule, I would first of all find the length QR. After we find the length QR, we would use the sine rule to find the length QS. So we use the cosine rule first, and then after that, we use the sine rule. So this is the formula for the cosine rule. You identify what you want to find. If you follow that pink line, that's we want to find QR. So we would use A as 11, B as 9.4. So we'd have A is 11, B is 9.4, and then substitute that in the formula, and that is A there, that's B. Cosine of C, the angle is 27. And we'll use our calculator to find QR. So using the calculator, 11 squared plus 9.4 squared, it gives you 209.36. And 2 times 11 times 9.4, it gives you 206.8. Put all of that together under the square root in the calculator, you get 5.009975129. And if you round it to 3 significant figures, you get 5.01. But we are going to use this QR without rounding it to find the next part of the answer. And you only round up at the end. So in your calculator, when you put it in the calculator, that's what you will get. You can put all of this at once in the calculator, but be careful to put the brackets and to put the multiplication sign, so you will get that answer. So once you found the value for QR, you will use the sine rule to find QS. And this is the sine rule in green at the bottom there. So QS divided by sine 88 is equal to QR divided by sine 41. Since you want to make QS the subject, it's divided by sine 88. If you take it to the right-hand side, the inverse of divide by sine 88 is times sine 88. So QS is QR times sine 88. Now you substitute the value for QR. So I'm using the whole value for QR because I only round up at the end. Times sine 88 divided by sine 41. You put that in your calculator, you get QS to be 7.631818123. Round it to 3 significant figures. Put a line after the third number, and that would give you 7.63. That's the first part of the question, to find QR. And that's the second part, to find QS.